Hi there, this is Liza, this is my vlog, and this is day number 5.
While Rose is going to get the paper. Is it dry? Hindi pa dry, no? Ayan. Okay. You're going to do this. Drip man din na, but you just do it this way, ha? Okay. You make 5 lines. Diba? Ang petals, 5 petals man ang golden shower. You make 5 lines like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Easy akong line. Okay, you need anything, Joanna? Paper? You can try. Why don't you try? Yeah. Try na naman. Pwede na, Jo. You can use the other technique. Depende sa imong sa imong creative creative license. Yeah, so if there's too much, you can use your brush to remove the paint. Flower. So kaning golden showers is a summer flower. It usually blooms in May and summer months. And then, ganahan kay ang tamsi or the sunburn sa golden showers. Kita ka check food. Ito, yung kayo siya picturean, sir. Pwede na, mahalin na, sir. Sige, atong I'll give you na siya ni. Saan na itabo ni? Pwede ni mo tangtangan o orange. Pwede. Bro, na-master na ni Angela.
Pwede naman i-wipe ko gan. Pwede bigyan na. I-wipe ko ng dishwashers. Sorry. I-wipe ko ng dishwashers. Spread out.
Wow. Sige, I'll show you. So this is yours. Where's your dish, Miss Rose? So let's focus on the tamsi na lang. Si...
Kailangan ka namin.
Practice K-pop. Color paints are very highly pigmented paint, and it's also highly recommended for beginners and hobbyists. So the reason why we're here today is of course, what is art for? What's an art workshop for? There are mainly 4 things that art workshops. There are mainly 4 things where we can benefit from art workshops, and one is for mental wellness. We live in a very highly stressful, chaotic world, and one of the things that can really make us calm down and do some, something different is through art. Another is bonding with friends and family. Like today, we have a barkada bonding and also family bonding among our participants. Another is to spark the creativity in you. Some of the participants have tried art when they were still in elementary. Ito gamay for the next class. The next class is at 4.
Better? Thank you.
Aka na.
Sige, nakatape na.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yan,
Again. 1, 2, 3. Ha?
Ano ba?
Ako tanaw, sir, na. Ikibaw na ka.
Perfectionist.
Yeah, let go of embrace imperfection, perfectionist. Yeah.
Kapasang.
Kapasar?
Ano po na yung mid-dia?
Oh, sige.
Ah,
Klaro si mid-dia.
Ay, Clara si Media. Sige.
Okay.
Kay Clara si Media daw, sir.
Wala lang.
Ito.
Okay, another. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ha?
Right.
May story na yun.
Ay, may story na yan.
Alright.
Ah.
Mm. Yun na ang media sa media.
Ito.
So, tungkol sa kagamay ng space, malimitan ka sa...
Yes, it's limited to like Canik 7. But soon, sir, we will be opening a space here. And then, here lang. Then we'll have a bigger space.
Tago na yung matalim mo lang.
Siguro na 15. And picture is with the ladies.
Ah, sige.
The ladies of Art Caravan.
Sige, girl.
Picture the blessed,
Na-
Sir
na-disturb
Noel,
yung tanong.
Black
Cool.